And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
Hi everybody, my day is backwards. Somehow it's already 10 o'clock. I don't know how that happened. Well, actually, I woke up a few times during the night, and then, like at 5 a.m., I spilled my water bottle all over the place. And so I didn't wake up till my alarm went off at 7:30. And then I got on the bike, and then took a shower. And here we are. I did talk to my good friend Lisa for a few minutes, and now I'm watching springboard diving. And it looks scary because that thing looks like it's about to snap, and I would be so dizzy for how many flips they have to do. But anyways, now I'm gonna make a coffee soon. It ended up being a freezing rainy day, so I had soup with grilled cheese for lunch, and I was catching up on an old Emily Baker video from a couple days ago. Ma, it's freezing today. What are you doing?
Well, I kind of thought it would be a lousy day, so I decided to build a puzzle.
Nice.
But, you know, I kind of feel guilty. I'm not accomplishing anything. I've got to do this puzzle because it's Summer Shack.
Yeah. Hobie, are you helping? She loves that chair. Nobody else in the house loves that chair, but she loves it. That's her chair. Hi guys. Somehow it is 2:53, and I think I vlogged a little bit today. I have to put it together, but I haven't really done much besides work out, talk to my friends, read, because I'm getting behind on a few books. So read and then just catch up on Emily Baker, and then also wait for her to go live because she goes live on Thursdays. But she's going live at a different time today, I think. Anyways, because the weather is absolutely disgusting outside. It's cold, huh?
Yeah, it's cold, but I thought it was going to be worse.
I don't know. We're getting the remnants of that hurricane.
Maybe, I don't know. There's no rain. We don't have it yet.
Didn't it rain yesterday? I feel like I heard rain yesterday. Anyway, that's just the update. Mom, who's winning at golf?
I don't know. The girl from USA didn't do too well.
Oof. Mom, maybe you'll be there. You'll be the oldest Olympian. No?
No.
Darn.
I'm happy losing my balls locally.
I know it looks like I have not left this table, but I swear I have. I've just been doing different stuff. It is 4:16 right now. My sister is not coming over because it honestly, Ma, looks like it's about to downpour right now.
Again? I mean, finally?
Yeah. Well, anyways, so I'm very behind in all the books that I'm reading because I have a few downloaded that I haven't even started yet, and they're due like in 9 days, 7 days, whatever. So I'm trying to focus on this one called The Summer of Yes by Courtney Walsh. And I'm like halfway through it. I know it's bad. It's bad that I'm so far behind. The book is really good. It's actually very emotional, but in a good way. I finally finished Emily Baker's other video, and I'm waiting for her to go live about this Corey Ridgens motion hearing or something. I don't know. It's a woman out of Utah or whatever. So, she says she's going live in 27 minutes at 4:45 p.m. my time. Although I think the court is still going on, so I don't know. Okay, sorry, I got sidetracked because my niece was FaceTiming. But I was gonna tell you before I went back to reading that I ordered protein bars on Amazon because they had them at Walmart too, but whatever. Amazon has faster shipping. They're called One, like the One brand, O-N-E, One protein bars. And again, Emily Baker had them. She used them during the last trial. I don't think they were sponsored, but even if they were, I don't care. I don't buy like everything a creator uses, you know. But she said that the peanut butter chocolate ones were really good, and then the Amazon reviews actually said that they tasted like peanut butter cups, and that is like my jam. So if I could have something that's like, I'm not gonna say good for you, because like I don't think anything is like bad, but like if it's gonna help me get to where I want to be in different areas of my life, and it tastes like peanut butter and chocolate, then sign me up. So yeah, hopefully I like those. If not, then maybe my dad or somebody would eat them. But there's only 12. I only ordered one box, so we'll see. Because other protein bars I've tried in the past I didn't like, so, but hopefully with the chocolate and peanut butter, everything is good. So, yeah. I don't have an office, but I want to know two things. Where's her bookshelf from? And I need those lights. Oh my goodness. It is currently 6:50, and that was a quick live stream for Emily Baker, because it was just for this Corey Ridgens person. It was just a motion to basically fire the entire district attorney's office, which I don't really think that they can do because they're elected officials. I don't know. Anyway, the judge denied it. But yeah. But other than that, I'm going to go so I can get this video edited because I have not touched it at all today. And then I'm going to connect my book to the speaker in my room. And then hopefully read a little bit more because now I'm like 51% done with the book by Courtney Walsh. And then hopefully I can start another one tomorrow. I don't know. I'm busy. But I'm also running a 5K on Monday, so I can get some stuff done then too. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.